Hi, I'm Becky of Miss B Group Travel. Thank you for joining us. During the month of February, I will be doing daily 2-minute clips with travel tips and reviews. Today, I'm talking about the travel shoe pouch, right? I think this is something that every avid traveler should have, or even if you're not an avid traveler but do frequent the gym or other places, or have to change your shoes to get on the train and then wear a flatter shoe. The reason I'm passionate about this is not just because they look stylish, but also it helps save the environment against things like this, like plastic. Okay, no plastic is reusable, but to a certain extent. But these these travel shoe bags are reusable. You can clean them, you can disinfect and wipe them, and then you can pack them away. If you have a small apartment or a small house, you can still use them to store your shoes or your socks or whatever the case may be. I also use it for the boys because they go, when they go and play football, I actually pack their stuff in there. Now, what's so great about a travel shoe bag? The ones that we have in our shop, I know, shameless plug, but the ones that we have are ones that can hang on at the back of your suit, of your hand luggage or your suitcase. And it comes to the front, and you've also got space to put your shoes inside. At the front, I like to put on slippers or, house slippers when I'm on the plane. If it's a long haul flight, after a while, I take off my shoes and pop on some slippers for comfort. Okay, and then the one thing I love about this, because you can insert this, and this is what they mean. You can insert this over your suitcase, okay? And also it's got a zip where I can put my passport. Now, if you travel a lot like I do, by the time you go through your bags, then luggage, and then customs, and by the time you get to the plane, you've probably showed your passport or your boarding pass quite a few times. And if you've got a handbag and you're rummaging through, this is an easy, handy place to put it in. You always have it within reach. But then, of course, when you're in the flight, you can choose to take that off from there and put it in your handbag as you stow your luggage away. Okay, please let me know. I'd like to hear your tips about whether you use a travel shoe bag and how that works out for you. As always, comments appreciated in the section below, and see you tomorrow.